Now that your braces are off.
It feels weird.
It does feel weird. You can take a peek at your new smile. What do you think?
I love it.
You love it?
My teeth look amazing. You did a good job. Thank you so much.
You did a great job.
Thank you.
So, let's talk about the next phase, okay? Which is retention. So, do you remember how your teeth looked before you got the braces?
Yes.
And I'm pretty sure you don't want them looking like that anymore, right?
Not at all.
Okay, so in order to prevent that, we have retainers for you, okay? And so for the retainers, the purpose is to prevent your teeth from going back to their original position. So it's important that you wear these 24/7, okay, for at least the first few months or so.
Okay, so wear it all the time for a few months and then I can get rid of the retainer?
Let me clarify a little bit more. It's not quite that simple. So when your braces first come off, your teeth really want to go back to where they were before. Okay. So that's why we say 24/7 for the first few months or so, usually around 3 to 6 months. And then after that, you're going to taper down to just nighttime only. Okay. What I like to tell people is that retainers are like diamonds. They're forever, okay? So you'll have these things for the rest of your life. And you'll just taper down to, just at night only. Okay, perfect. So now that we have your retainer here, let's go ahead and try it in, okay? I'm just going to snap this in here, and usually they go on pretty easy, just like that, right? Okay, so let's go over caring for your retainers, okay? So in order to take care of them, I want you to, when you're brushing your teeth, just take it out and just brush them gently with water using your toothbrush, okay? That should be perfect. That should be enough to clean them. You can also soak them in denture cleaner if you want, okay? Now, very important, the number one mistake that people make is that when they're not wearing their retainers, like when they're eating or brushing their teeth, they tend to wrap their retainers up in napkins. Do not do that. When your retainer is not in your mouth, it should be in this case. Okay, because what ends up happening is that retainers end up in the trash when they're wrapped up in napkins. But if it's in here, you won't throw them away. Okay? And the last thing is, you may notice at first that you sound a little lispy.
Yeah.
You sound a little lispy, right? It's okay. So that's normal. Don't worry about it. It'll go away within a few days because your tongue will get used to having your retainer in, okay? And we've got your teeth straight, so that's all that matters, right?
Hey, there you go.
All right. Well, perfect. You're all set. Do you have any questions?
I don't.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now let's do a little recap here. First, you must wear your retainer all the time for the first few months. Please check with your doctor to know exactly how long he or she may want you to wear it full time. So after wearing your retainer 24/7 every day for the first few months, you will reach a time period where you only have to wear your retainers at nighttime only. But remember, like diamonds, retainers are forever. So yes, you will have to wear your retainer for the rest of your life, or for as long as you want your teeth to stay straight. Remember, only place your retainers in your retainer case, as that's the #1 way to avoid most mistakes that come with losing or misplacing your retainers. So do us all a favor, wear your retainers for as long as your doctor recommends, and most importantly, go out and enjoy your new smile.